How it works. The Replicator technology can either be used with the UR collaborative robot or a KUKA industrial robot. Each cell is delivered ready to operate, with all wiring, calibrations and safety devices integrated at the factory to commission the cell upon arrival. Our customers have the option to integrate their preferred tool, such as sander or paint gun, through an adapter specifically designed for the Replicator. For spraying and bonding applications, a universal adapter allows you to attach your tool to the Replicator. The controller features a 2-level trigger, allowing independent activation of external valves for air or liquid supply, similar to how a manual gun would operate. It is also possible to activate any valve or actuator required to operate your tool. Only tools compatible with robot use can be integrated. Sensor integration on the customer's tool is performed by our team prior to delivery. Simply send us your tool so that our team can prepare and calibrate the entire system for immediate use upon installation. Depending on the task to be automated, it's possible to choose between different ways of capturing tool movements, using either the track mode or the teach mode. The track mode is a recording method where the robot follows the movement of the operator's hands in real time. The track mode is mainly used to remotely control the robot in sandblasting applications. The teach mode is a method of recording hand movements that teaches the task while the robot is stationary. The mode of operation is used in most Replicator applications. Our plug-and-play cells are pre-assembled and calibrated at the factory and come complete with training and support. For cobot cells, a 3-hour training on operation is included, as well as 2 hours of support via Teams. For KUKA robotic cells, 8 hours of training and 2 hours of support via Teams are included. A turnkey solution for installation and setup at the customer's location is also available.